Samsung has officially told South Korean media about numerous launch information for the Galaxy S24 series. The Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are expected to be unveiled in the third week of January with fourth-generation Galaxy Book notebooks. According to a recent source, Samsung has verified the plans of its forthcoming Galaxy Unpacked event with South Korean media. As previously reported, the successors of the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra are expected to launch in early 2024, echoing past Galaxy S generations. According to reports, Samsung has decided on January 17 as the date for its Galaxy S24 launch event, but in San Jose rather than San Francisco, as steadily stated last month. According to reports, pre-orders will begin after the event, during which Samsung is also rumored to introduce the Galaxy Book 4 series. At the time of writing, the specs for 5 models, including the flagship Galaxy Book 4 Ultra, have leaked online. However, Samsung may not begin distributing any Galaxy S24 series pre-orders until January 26 at the earliest. While the ELEC claims Samsung Electronics workers, Samsung's press department would not validate the website's statements. As a result, for the time being, we urge considering the ELEC's comments with caution. The Galaxy S24 will be enhanced with AI. It seems that it will evaluate the user's commonly used applications and use habits in order to proactively propose results to automatically execute difficult jobs. Some of the features include assessing a user's destination and trip time to present information such as weather, traffic conditions, and other app features. Another rumored Galaxy S24 feature is the phone's ability to create an email in a certain format. It might also proceed to send the email. There may be further AI features built throughout many functions in One UI 6.1. According to reports, Samsung will sell the Galaxy S24 as its first AI phone. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.